If you are translating in your head every single time while you speak in English, you already know how persuasive that feels, right? You don't actually understand the idea, but by the same time, you translate, the moment is gone. That's the good news, actually. To be fair with you, you can train your brain to think in English directly. Once you do that, your fluency will improve faster. So in this guide, I will show you simple practical steps to actually think in English and stop translating in your head. First of all, why do you want to do this? Why do you want this? Why do you want to stop translating in your head and stop actually translation and think in English? Before anything else, ask yourself, really, why do you want to think in English? Maybe you want to speak English faster, right? There is a reason behind every single thing we do in life. You want to feel confident in conversations, or even you want to sound more natural. Whatever reason is will keep your mind, and that's the motivation itself. 2026, this is the goal. You can actually achieve it. First step is definitely to start with the simple English words. Objects around you, name them. Look around your right way, in your room, in your bedroom, or even in your living room. Look around and start naming things in English, whether that's a door, phone, window, even chair. There's a lot of things, okay? Simple, but it's very, very important to start with. But here is the key, okay? Focus on pronunciation too at the same time. Don't just know the words, know how it sounds. If you're not sure, listen to native speakers, Google it, pronunciation, use online dictionaries, repeat the words out loud. Do this every single time you enter a new place. This is how you build foundation, English foundation, confidence on yourself. I believe that if you can follow this tip, you will think in English straight away without even any complications. However, the step 2 is of course to think in simple sentences. For example, go further ahead. Start with I'm tired, I'm hungry, or even I'm working. Then describe your environment around you. This room is very quiet. Or I would say my desk is messy, okay, and the window is open. A lot of things. If you don't know the words, look it up and learn it in that moment. Learning in the context makes it easier to remember, and it will make your brain to think straight away to English, if that makes sense. Step number 3 is of course to use English and understand it. Use English to understand English. This step is quite powerful. Instead of translating words for words in the language, try using English only dictionary. I highly recommend to use dictionary. When you learn a word through English dictionary, you understand what it means, you learn synonyms, and even you know what antonym is. You understand it deeper, you remember it faster, you stop depending on translation. This trains your brain to say in English mode. English mode is important to think in English. And step number 4 is definitely talk to yourself. Really, yeah, you need to talk to yourself. This might feel strange at the same time. Talk to yourself in the mirror and have small conversations with yourself. You can talk to yourself every single day in the mirror. Ask yourself questions. Describe what you're doing. Start with just 2 minutes every single day. Do this for 30 days without stopping. At first, it's hard. It's really, really hard. But then something clicks. You will notice that you start thinking in English, and even you think faster. You hesitate less, and you feel more natural. And however, step number 5 is literally to turn your daily life into English. Now we start bringing English into your routine. Pick up one thing, switch it to English, and even learn any words. Your phone, switch it to English. Your to-do list, switch it to English. Your calendar, all of it. Your social media. Or try this. Narrate your action in your head. Narrate your action in your head. What I mean, let's say for example, I might say, I'm making a breakfast. I'm making a breakfast. Well, let me clean this, or where did I put that? This is how you train your brain to think in English automatically and a lot more confidently by yourself. However, the step number 6 is to learn something new in English every single day. Okay, even if it's words, learn it. Choose something you already want to learn. Let's say cooking, drawing, and even fitness, whether that's any skill in life. If you learn all of those, that is literally will make you to immerse yourself, and even by watching videos, not to learn it only, by thinking about it. Read instructions, follow tutorials, and even make a lot of things, make learning more fun, please, more natural, and even more effective. However, the step number 7 is to track your progress. If you don't track, you will give up, you will forget. Every day, write something simple like, today I'll practice speaking 2 minutes, even I learn new words, 5 new words, 10 new words. I watch kind of like short movie, and even I thought about being consistent every single day. However, the end of your day in English, that's step number 8, end of your day, before you sleep, take 2 minutes and even reflect about your day in English. A lot more. Think about it. What did you do? Ask yourself questions. Where did you go? How did it feel? This is a powerful habit. It helps your brain to process every single detail. And sometimes you might even start dreaming in English. And I would say you don't actually stop translating overnight. But step by step, if you can follow literally these steps, your English and your brain will adjust. Stay consistent, practice daily, and even keep it simple. That's it. And one day, you will realize something amazing. You're not translating anymore. You are just thinking in English. So, if you like what you saw today, you enjoyed today's video, please let me know in the comment section below, and even click the bell, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.